Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from around the world. It's Alan from Wall Street to EasyStreet.com. What we're going to do today is a little bit of market replay action to practice getting some trades in and give you an idea of how I trade, how I look at the market. So let's go ahead and take a look at NinjaTrader. All right, I've downloaded data back to December 9th, and I did that because I don't want to have an opinion of how the market's going to move. If I pick something recent, I already know how it's going to move. So I'm going to get set up here with my DOM and my time and sales. Alright, I'm going to take a look at the market now and see what we've got. We've had this big bullish run here to the upside, and notice how we've stopped here at the opening of the day. It's important to always keep an eye on the opening of the day. And now we've started to pull back. So we'll get the market moving here on replay. And let's see what we can see here. I like replay because you can speed it up. You can get a lot of trading done and practice in a short amount of time, and it's actual real data. So I'm always looking to see what I think I can get out of a trade. Let's say I was to take here 12, 19, maybe 5 pips out of this trade. See where we come down here. Maybe we'll come all the way down here to this support area right here. See what we can get. Okay, now we've got to pull back here to our moving average. Looks like could be a possible first break. Got a couple of some doji candles in here. If we break to the upside, we'll take that trade and try to get out up here around the high of the day.
Order filled.
Okay, we'll take that one. I want to get out about here on all the positions. Okay, that's where I want to exit at there.
Order canceled. Order canceled. Order filled.
Okay, with market replay, you've got to play around with the exits there a little bit to get out. So overall, we had a good little trade there. Put a little bit of money in the bank. All right, now let's see what we can get. We've at this high of the day, so the risk of the market coming down is getting higher. Speed the market up. Time and sales up here, we can watch it. We would be able to see the orders picking up if they do. So what we had on our trade is that little doji area. Excuse me. We got some equal lows here. Looks like we might be building up some pressure to the upside. Let me go ahead and mark that. Alright, if it breaks out of there, we'll want to take that. So we can get a full 10 pips out of this one. If it pops. I got some sellers coming in, looks like. Notice those sell orders that came in weren't able to create a bearish bar right there. Let's see if we can get a breakout here. Yep.
Order filled.
So fill that. Our stop be underneath this block. Tighten up our stop there a little bit. Still see the orders picking up here. So we'll hang on to this a little longer. See it continues to pop. And there we go.
Order canceled. Order
Market
canceled.
replays.
Order filled.
Alright, a couple of good trades right there. Stop the market. Too bad we can't do that in real time. Speed up and slow down the market. Alright, so just to go over those two trades we just had. The market had been trading down. Let me go ahead and get this out of the way. The market had been trading down, but we had this nice bullish move here to the upside, and market turned and come back down. You could have actually taken this as a first break to the downside. I wouldn't have had a problem with that either. But when we started our market replay, we were already in this area today. So market pulled back here, pulled back to the 20 EMA, and we got the two doji candles that formed right here in this area. So we took the breakout here of our doji, which is, if you can see here, this is also a first break. And what makes this a first break is you notice how the highs, each candle has a lower high, lower high, lower high, all the way down to our dojis. So this gives us a first break setup to the upside, as well as a doji formation here. So we actually have two reasons to go long on that trade. And because we have this area of support here, or resistance, this high of the day, what we want to do is we want to try to take profit in this area, because the market could have easily have hit this area, turned, and come back down, and often it does because of that resistance area being the high of the day. So rather than let this trade turn into a loss, we went ahead and put a little bit of money in our pocket. Then we watch the market, see how it goes, and in this case you can see we had another buildup of buying pressure in here. The market had pulled back down, it could not break any lower. But more importantly, and the reason why things like replay works much better than looking at a static chart, is what really tipped us off here was in this candle right here. Let me get a arrow here and point at it, so you can go back and look. When that candle turned bearish and traded all the way down and then turned and shot back up, that tells us that that there's a lot of buying pressure still there. So at that point, we're all in, ready to buy. We're just waiting for our signal to break out of our block. So as soon as we broke out of our block, we're in and exited up here for 10 pips. So that trade went really good, and with our replay money, we put $107 in our account. So not too bad there. So I hope that kind of helps you out there, gives you a little bit of idea of how to trade our method using price action scalping. So feel free to stop by and check out the webpage and the forum. Forum's a great place to come and learn as well. So have a good trading day.